Oh, wow, wow, wow. So beautiful. This place. This place is in the eastern West Khasi Hill at Pariong, Hima, Mawiang. And this part at Pariong is called the Jinryu. The Jinryu. So beautiful place. The rock, the mountains, the hills, and thick forests, the paddy field. Are very, very super. And this children are taken care for the buffalo, for the cow at this Jinryu place at Pariong, eastern west in Meghalaya state, Hima, Mawiang. Wow, super place. So nice, so beautiful. Okay, mom. Hola, biang, best. Super. Oh, it was very, very beautiful place. Yesterday I came to Pariong in eastern west Khasi Hill. So I see so many places in Pariong are very beautiful place. This is the paddy field at Pariong. This place is called Jinryu.